Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide tags on Instagram post. We start by opening Instagram. Next, we enter the top menu on the right and then Settings and Privacy. Here we move and enter the tags and mentions option. Next, we will click on the Review Tags option and then on Tagged. Inside here, we are going to click on Select and then choose the photos where we want to hide the labels. After that, we will click on Hide and confirm the action. After this, the tags will not be removed but will be hidden from your profile. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.